Hey everyone, are you facing a cloud activation lock links or lock toner on any iPhone device? How do you fix it at your home without doing a jailbreak? So with the help of PC or laptop, guys, we'll see live step by step with real demonstrations. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial. Right now, we can see we are not in the positions to operate this device manually because this is lock toners. So firstly, we will try to access by using a special iTunes. That what's the reason behind of that? Maybe it happens due to lost mode, stolen mode, blacklisted, or sometimes you have gotten or the previous owner linked, or sometimes yes, you have entered multiple times a screen wrong passcode, and due to that advanced security enabled, if it is on any iPhones, then it's stuck on this cloud activation. So let's find out the firstly reason. Then according to that, we will troubleshoot and we will get rid of it this situation from this device, guys. So let's access iTunes. So we will open iTunes and let it access the data. So it's trying to access the data now. Let's wait here. Yes, it's trying to the access. Now see, it's a link to the particular ID and asking enter the line password. That's what I used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID of that. So this device is the came to my show the morning times when the customer who told me that actually he kept this device from the last especially or the since especially 3-4 months especially at his home. So now let's fix it permanently. So we are unable to right now operate this device. Maybe a stolen, lost, or blacklisted. It's not detected proper way, but it's linked to other particular ID. So let's remove these links from this device so that manually they can be the beneficiary or the customer can be the beneficiary of this device. So once again, so what we will do, guys, here just we will first and foremost we will use a blob saver. Blob saver clearly available in a description box. You can download these tools and by free of course it is. So by free of course you can unlock it. All the driver and the tools we will use here, that will be absolutely free. Read it from this device. So why it will fix with all the cloud data and the Apple database DNS configuration. So now we are going to be a internal name board configuration with especially here include the betas. So of course now we will try to iterate it. So multiple times these iPhones can be rebooted, no problem at all. I am trying to reaccumulate all the data, whatever the data is retaining from the cloud data and the Apple database, that we will fetch and accumulate on it. Then we'll go for the inside to the delete one by one, and then we will come with the new firmware. Also basic fundamental especially accessment and the troubleshoot, we will do that, and clearly we will get rid of it, and directly we will go the inside and we will generate a try to the Apple ID. So to watch carefully, don't skip ahead, guys. Every step is going to be very crucial. If you miss one step and then you will blame so that I am unable to have the success of that. So if you are a shopkeeper, yes, no one the shopkeeper can tell you this kind of the method, because if you can exactly by yourself at your home, then it means especially you are not going to the page to any shopkeeper. So that's why shopkeeper will cannot tell you especially this kind of the strategy. But of course watch carefully. Yes, you can do it. If you are a shopkeeper, then watch step by step, so that by free of course without paying to other, without any chargeable tool, you can unlock it at your home or at your shop. So now successfully go to API announce, guys. So let it highlighted especially finish option, or maybe especially we have the gotten finally especially API announce, so that we can exit from it. So no problem at all. But we will have to wait here. Now it's the time to the open especially also, that is especially 3 tools. So the first is especially blob server that I have already mentioned to you. Now it's saying the restarting, that will be a fix of that. But right now we have gotten this thing, so no problem that we can close this now, and we can open especially, that is especially 3 tool now. Yes, we have API announce got successfully. So now we will go down there. We will select the language once again. We will select the zone and the region. We will go for here. 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 Now it has successfully especially connected. Just we will come in especially toolbox 2. Of course we will tap on a crash analysis. We'll go for the inside of it, and we can see a lot of the data that has been accumulated here. So clearly we will delete it. So now all the files have been deleted from here. Now after refreshing, there is no files that is retaining here. Now we will try to especially click on this especially real time, and we will clear. Let's clear. Yes, multiple times we will have to declare at least 20 times. This is a Safari history that we will clear, and the crash analysis, that whatever the retaining data from the Apple database. So this one, by that we will clear. So now almost at least 20 times. So we will have to, after clicking on it 20 times in the clearance, of course we will pass that and we will clear. Now what we will do, guys, here we'll once again back and we will try to have the fresh data, especially from this device. So now we are trying to do, of course, clear all the retaining data from the cloud database. So now it has been connected. We will come on a especially trial mode. We will go for the remind me later. We will come on a here. Now it has been connected. Just we will click on a especially. Yes, it has a function that is still it is linked. Show device console we will clear, and at least 20 times. So we will have to especially clear this thing. So let's clear 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now especially when it will ask you the once again screen password, then we will refresh. Now it's the time to the refresh, and now we will clear. Now keep clearing, guys, keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing. Now see, guys, here what we will do now. Fine. Now this is coming there still. So now keep clearing, let it accumulate. On the other hand, we have REC mode, hit this ones, and of course here keep clearing this. So now this device is coming especially, I mean keep clearing, keep clearing. Now see, almost the white screen is coming, so we can close. Now 3U tool or imaging PC can tell you especially that it has been reached in the recovery. So we will close this ones also. Now here what we will do, guys, here it's a time to the come on especially a smart flash option. A smart flash to here we will click on a especially firmware option. In the firmware option we have an option that is a let it accumulate especially, and what's the things latest one that we can apply. This is a yellow screen. This one will should we can apply right now because this is above the 11x 11 especially iPhone, so it's maybe a 13 series, so that's why especially we will come on a special, either we can download or we can import. So we will prefer to imports right now because total size is a 10 GB. Right now we cannot download, so if we imports, then we will have to click on a easy flash. Easy flash to, of course, we will try to have directly imports. Before importing, we will have to select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data. Don't select the anti-recovery flash mode. Don't select the fixed flash. We'll have to select this one, so quick flash mode, and we will select this one import options. We will come in here, and after downloading we have the capped on a desktop, so we will come in a desktop to here is especially 40.89e 89e. This is both are similar. So now without making delay here, don't select the fixed battery else because this is not required to select here. Firstly we will have to fix this cloud activation. So now we have the rest from the 11% to exit from this mode, and we will see here any error will come, so then we will try to fix it. Right now we can see during the flashing process your device may restart multiple times. So right now we will here click 2-3 times close iTunes, and then of course we will come in here. Now it has a risk 18%. When it will cross the more than its facial, I mean 30%, means we will have to understand that it has the confess in the cloud database and Apple database that there is no retaining data, there is no the previous owner links, there is no especially situation that is in the lost mode or blacklisted stolen mode. So we are waiting for the cross the 30%, guys. So right now it has initiated. Let's see what's going to happen. So now don't do extra anything, guys, just calm and relax and watch carefully step by step. If you would like to skip, then you can skip, but suddenly any error comes, then how do you troubleshoot of the particular error? That's how do you fix that. Immediately we will troubleshoot of heads. So don't skip ahead. This will be extra knowledge for you guys, and if you are a shopkeeper, then you must watch till the end of this tutorial step by step, guys. Don't miss it. Just I'm taking you scarcely 20 minutes, and within the 20 minutes I assure you 100% that you would be a veteran or especially master to the fix this especially cloud activation lock links. Maybe either your device is in the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted. In each situation, of course, you can fix it at your home, guys. So we are waiting here. Let's see what's going to happen. Now we have reached on a space left for 7%. Let's see what's going to happen further. Still it is taking time. No. Now we will have to wait here and check it out that we have to cross the 52%. And look at on a especially guys on this device. So that we can see here it has the cross more than especially 70%. So we are waiting for the results now. Any error comes, suddenly we will travel soon. So we have actually spent still 10 minutes. But let's see what's going to happen further. We are waiting for especially. I still see that we have a spatial alignment on a 52%, and so they are more than a spatial alignment. How much the percentage? It has been there is more than 70%, but it's still taking time. So here, these ascending order and descending order can be spatially shown. Yes, any times it will jump from 50 to 100%, 90%. So that's why I'm saying, or suddenly error can come. So data cable has been connected. The source of the error is a very simple, that if you are not using good quality data cable, then that condition you will have the problem that it will disconnect, and disconnect, then it will freeze on the Apple logo, and manually you will have to exit, and then of course once again we will have to repeat the whole procedure. That's why I'm saying, guys, use a proper data cable. Second ones, where you will have to execute there is no especially any movement, guys, of your computer, PC, laptops, as well as especially your device and the software of that especially. Now, third thing is that you should have the second internet connection, because this is totally happening on the basis of that you have the internet connected, because it's a matter of the applying on the cloud data DNS configuration and Apple data DNS configuration. And even if especially without having the internet connection, you can lock it, but through it will give you error. And sometimes, of course, one thing is that fact that yes, signal will not become. So that's why there should be no SIM card while you're doing these things, everything. And then after, if the SIM card after inserting, however the signal is not coming, how do you fix it? That also, yes, instruction I will tell you easily within a especially 30 second to a 50 second you can fix it. So let's wait. I'm waiting for the results, because as we see we have the rest on the 52%, and it is requesting EN data, but here more than 90% we have the cross. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. Here we are doing the tracking. I'm the tech, we are troubleshooting, especially as we know that of the particular the cloud activation log length. So we will have to wait till it's not notifying any error, or it's congratulating, of course, that it has been succeed. Then the further 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of. That's very crucial, guys, and important on the exact times we will have to. So let's see, we are waiting for the results, and we are waiting for also especially that time that when we will have to action of it. Still it's taking time, guys. We will have to wait here. Don't worry. Yes, so we have the result on the Islam 64%. By speaking, guys, I'm exhausted. And that's why let me have the silence and for the handlings. But this is a tutorial that who are facing this kind of challenge, they can fix it, especially their home easily, not required to go at any, especially or visit at any shop. So that's why. Use it, don't misuse it, especially these instructions and this especially tracks, because Apple will can't tell you. Of course, Apple will, especially, or Apple can't tell you. No, the shopkeeper and the operator to fix the related to iPhones, especially will not tell you this kind of the secrets, and that easily you can fix it at your homes. So watch carefully, learn it, and then apply it. And then you would be a veteran. Yes, any device can be unlocked by similar status, guys. And this will be a permanent matter, because I'm not using any chargeable tool. 3U tool is absolutely free. iTunes, as we know that it has been developed by itself by Apple, and yes, Imagine PC is absolutely trial version you can apply, and one is a blob server. Blob server is absolutely free, guys. What is the function of the blob server? We have already seen that it will configure all the retaining data, or fetching all the retaining data from the cloud database, Apple database, to especially or accumulating on this device, to accumulate in this device, especially accumulate on this device, and after accumulating, of course, we are going to erase or completely wipe out by using especially 3 tool. So now that we can see it is congratulated that session that it has been completed. So now what we will do, guys, here, click on a toolbox, wait for the virtual actions, especially batch activations, guys, in this option. Why we will execute when it will be highlighted? Because it will skip all the settings with reason language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, yes, Apple ID, and time screen passcode device, mobile management logs, manager password, everything will be skipped, and we will directly go the inside to the generate new Apple ID. So we are waiting for the result here. Now see here, it is now initiated, but still it is not highlighted, so we are waiting for. Let's see what's going to happen. Now quickly it has been highlighted. Now we will select here and we'll hit this one, and don't do extra anything now. Here any error comes, then immediately we will change the internet connection, or by any smartphones we can give the speed hotspot to other PC, and once again by changing internet connection means DNS configuration would be also changed. So particular sales area of this device, suppose this phone belongs to Hong Kong, so we will have to provide the yes DNS configuration as well as especially the precise location of the Hong Kong, so that similarly will be a match. So of course there will be chances to fix that issues quickly. So we are waiting for the result here. Any error comes, then immediately we will do that. If there is no errors, then that's okay, no problem at all. So then, but multiple devices having the locks especially, yes, by a similar status, so the blindly you can go with the especially in this strategy, guys. Now let's see what's going to, sometimes due to hardware, or sometimes of course due to technical issues, yes, or server error. Yes, error can be comes, so that's why don't worry, this error can be fixed. That a trick I will show you here. So still it is taking times, guys, but we can see here, yes, it is coming with, and there is a, so it will after all how much minute here it will take. 1 to 2 minutes of course is costly, but successfully both has been done, not required with extra internet connection. This is the magic of and the big contribution of especially that we have fixed by using a blob saver, yes, the DNS configuration and the cloud configurations accumulated there, and then we have a clear. So we will do okay, and let's confirm by using this tracks that deactivation of this device, and we will hit this one. So it's asking you will have to wait a 10 second, guys. No problem, we will wait, and therefore after succeed of this, then we will open iTunes once again, check it out that is still linked to the particular ID or not. If it is not, then of course we will be fully sure. Now see, it has done completely. So what do you say, guys? Do you think so that it is still linked to the particular ID? Let's check it out by using iTunes, guys. If it is, yes, I am fully sure that it has been completely unlocked. So blindly you can come with this strategy. Of course you will not regret, and yes, you can. This tutorial will you the confidence that you can fix any kind of the issues related to the iOS, guys. Now that we can see here, it's on a white screen, it's trying to access the data, but now finally it has welcomed, guys. What do you say here? Now server has been connected, everything, but however it's the welcoming as a nuance. Do you think so that it is linked to the particular ID now? No, it's a completely welcoming as a nuance. So as a nuance you can use this device, no problem at all. So let it complete restart, and of course it has restarted. Select the language, it will ask you once again the language, no problem at all. Then of course we will have to select the especially particular zone that you have the provided or sales area of this device, especially in the first time. So where is the sales area? Let me have, say it's taking a little bit time, so no problem at all. Now it's setting a language of the particular zone or the country, no problem at all. Now we will have options in that, a precise location or the partial location. Partial option, see, erase and they start again and continue with the partial setup. So we will prefer to partial setup. Now see, system is totally no SIM card is available, fine, no problem. If we go the inside of, there is no SIM card, is asking the connect to the internet to the signed device. If you would like to the operation, then you will have to connect to the internet. One thing more I'm telling you, if you have the purchase a new phone device, there is also in initial setup internet connections required, guys, but here no internet connections required completely. Yes, you can go. Now it's the time to insert the SIM card, check it out, the SIM card is network is coming or not. If network is not coming, then of course we will go for especially local area restore the network. Inserted SIM card, of course we will go for restore the true location, and the system will be rebooted and the completely it will restored on particular your local area with fully networks, guys. What do you say here now? We can close the iTunes, no problem at all. And now that we can close this, this is a fully functional now, and it will restart it, and it will not be a linked on that and not stuck on that because it is completely unlocked. So enjoy this strategy, guys, and don't forget to leave the